Hello, how's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be actually just a short, quick little video on what's going on with the channel right now. Just to keep you guys updated. I just want to keep you updated. I figured I could do that today. I didn't really have a video planned out for today, so I'm going to do it today. Pretty much, first of all, I want to say the biggest thank you before I get into any of this, because this month has been the most profitable month by far. The views are up in an enormous amount, and it's incredible. So I've been kind of starstruck about it, to be honest with you. Like, I'm a 22-year-old kid, and excuse me, and this is like kind of my job now, and it's really starting to work out, all thanks to you guys. And so I've been trying to just constantly just sitting there thinking about like what the next move for the channel is to keep it going, and to keep you guys interested. And I've come up with a couple of things. So first of all, the top 10s, they're staying. You guys obviously like those. Most of you guys know me because of my top 10s, whether it be the budget cars, the underrated cars, whatever. The top 10s are usually what gets the most amount of views here. So those are definitely staying. I will be doing at least one a week, probably two. I think I'm going to be doing them on Tuesdays and Thursdays. But then the next thing is deep dives. So I did a deep dive so far on the Honda Prelude, the Lexus SC300, the Toyota A86. I've done it on a couple cars now, but the Prelude video and the Lexus SC300 video have absolutely blown up in such a quick time. It hasn't even been a month since the Prelude video has been live, and it's already at almost 400,000 views. And so you guys are obviously incredibly interested in seeing those, and so I'm 110% definitely going to keep doing those as well. Probably going to do, once again, 2 of those a week. One on Monday, one on Friday. The problem with those is they do take a very long time to do. It takes like almost 2 days. But luckily I have the weekends off. I don't upload on the weekends, as you guys know. And so on the weekends, I spend pretty much all day writing up the scripts and filming, and then trying to get as much editing as I can done before the week comes. So that way I can post both those videos. And you guys are seeming to love that, so that's great. You guys love the top 10s, and that's great. That's awesome. But here's the thing. After a while, and it's going to be a very long time, but after a while, these videos are going to get boring to you guys, and I understand that. And so before that happens, I want to introduce you to something else that you guys would want to stay watching me for, you know what I mean? And just in case those videos ever do go away, there's only something else I can fall back on and you guys could watch instead. And if I'm being honest with you guys, I started this channel with the intent of becoming somebody like Adam LZ or TJ Hunt or Jimmy Oaks, which is the reason why the channel is actually my name and not like a brand name like SmoothStance, for example. The channel is my name because I always wanted to be kind of like a vlogging style channel of me building cars. And so I want to get into that more, and I bought the 350Z to do that, but I was stupid with it. I didn't know what I was doing, and I didn't film enough. I didn't stay consistent with it, and you guys I know you guys like the 350Z, but it never really did as good as I expected it to do. And so I'm kind of looking at getting another car. The reason being is because, like I said, we just had a very successful month, and so I can afford another car finally. And on top of that, I really want to push myself to build something like from the ground up and actually learn everything and share it with you guys at least once a week, and every week, you know, update you guys on this car and how it's doing. And so that's why I kind of made this video, is to ask for your guys' help on that, on deciding which car to actually get. I have a couple of options in mind, and I'll run them by you real quick, but just you guys can definitely leave your suggestions in the comments below of cars I might be forgetting. So here are the options I have in mind. I'm thinking about doing either a Acura Integra, a Honda Civic, probably an EK or an EG Civic, a Honda Prelude, a Lexus IS300, a Lexus SC400, a BMW E30, a BMW E36, a BMW E46, a Mazda RX-7 FC, there's one more, I can't think of it. There's another big one there that I kind of wanted to build. Miata, that's it. It was a Miata, either an NA or an NB Miata. You guys can leave suggestions below, but please keep in mind, I want the car to be very cheap. I'm not a rich man, you know, even though I did make a decent amount of money off of it. I'm happy about that, but I'm not to the point where I want to be dropping any more than $5,000 on a car right now. Especially not one that's just going to be a project car. I need a daily anyway, so I should probably be saving for a daily, and it's not going to be a daily if I'm building it for YouTube. So keep that in mind. If you do have a suggestion, just make sure that it's something cheap that I can afford. I want to build something like a BRZ, but unfortunately I can't. I want to build a G37 Coupe, but I can't. I want to build an E92 335i, but I can't. So just keep that in mind, all right? But yeah, that's kind of like the plans in terms of like what we're going to be doing for videos. budget car videos are just going to be like random ones, so it's going to be like budget hatchbacks or budget coupes or budget BMWs or budget Civics or I mean Hondas or something like that, you know what I mean? So we're going to be doing the top 10 budget cars, but now they're going to be based off of like a certain thing, like rear wheel drive, front wheel drive, reliable, daily drivers, winter cars, off-road cars, something like that. You guys understand what I'm saying. But the next top 10 is most likely just going to be a top 10 of something I want to do. It might be like my personal top 10 favorite coupes, my personal top 10 favorite supercars, who knows, we'll do something like that. On Mondays and Fridays, most likely it's going to be deep dive videos. You guys love those, so I'll happily keep making them. And hopefully during the Wednesday, during the middle of the week, if I get this project car, it'll be a project car video. But there's one video there that you guys are, if you guys are fans of the channel, know that is missing, and it is the good, the bad, and the uglies. The reason being is I do like doing the good, the bad, and the uglies, but the deep dive videos are probably just going to retake its spot at this point. I love the deep dive, the good, bad, and uglies, but the deep dives are just so much more enjoyable, not only to make, but in my opinion to watch. I give you a much better history on the car, and it's pretty much exactly the same thing as the good, bad, and ugly, just with a much better production quality. So that's kind of why I'm going to do the deep dives instead of the good, bad, and uglies nowadays. I understand you might be questioning this decision, and you might be like, well, the good, bad, and uglies are like a staple of your channel. Trust me, I've looked into it a little bit. You guys will love the deep dives. Give them a chance. They are literally just a better good, bad, and ugly. So before you start hating, pretty much the good, bad, and uglies just got to have just been renamed at this point. You know what I mean? So we have the good, the bad, and uglies, but the deep dives are just a better version. You guys, if you actually watch the deep dives, you'll see what makes them so great. But yeah, that's kind of it. Right now, I'm kind of going through a lot in terms of like the personal life, not bad things at all. I'm just saying, like, there's a lot of stuff going on in the personal life that I'm also trying to think of. And so if videos don't get out as quickly as I expect them to, or if it seems like I'm all over the place in terms of what kind of videos I'm making, that's because I'm trying to figure out what you guys want to see, while also trying to figure out what to do in my personal 22-year-old life. I'm trying to get an apartment with my friends right now. I'm trying to get another car. It's a bunch of stuff just going on, and so I'm just trying to kind of figure all that stuff out. But nothing bad in terms of my personal life. You don't have to ask in the comments to be like, oh, Mark, take all the time you need. I don't need any time. I just want you guys to help me out here and try and just give me some ideas and work with me. You know, if you guys want to see something, let me know. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Don't be like, oh, but Mark might think I'm an idiot if I say this. No, man. No, I will not. So just let me know if you want to see a video. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I mean, that's pretty much it. I just want to talk to you about the state of the channel. The 350Z, that's one more thing. 350Z. 350Z is definitely here to stay. I'm probably never gonna sell that car, to be honest. It's been my dream car since I was a little boy. I love the car, and I finally have it. I'm not gonna sell it. But it is gonna, if I do buy another car, it definitely will be put on the back burner in terms of mods, because like I said, that car is gonna be with me my whole life. I have all the time in the world to build that car. It's not going anywhere. I love it, but I can take my time with it. So if I do buy a new car, most of my time will be going to that car instead of the 350Z. But the 350Z is still here for sure. I'll still do videos on it. I will still make videos on it if you guys want to see videos on it. I'll still drive it. Obviously, if you guys want to see me driving it, I guess, let me know. I can do that. But yeah, I'll definitely be still driving the 350Z. It's still going to be a car on the channel, for the channel. It's just I want to buy another car to start its actual project and to do something actually like what TJ Hunt or Adam LZ does, and not just kind of like jump around and sometimes work on it and update you guys every once in a while on the car like I did with the 350Z. So anyway, guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love each and every one of you. Thank you guys so much for all the support we've been getting recently. Like I said in the beginning of this video, I made a lot of money off of it last, not a lot, a good amount, enough, right? I'm not like a six-figure salary kid yet, but I made a good enough amount last month, and it's all thanks to you. Literally all thanks to you. There's nothing I did at all. There's nothing anybody else did in this world except for whoever you are right now watching this video, watching me talk. You are the one that got me that. So thank you so much. I appreciate it. You guys are great. But anyway, das Vidania. Have a nice night.